Good morning, my dear students. Today I will teach method of substitution. Method of substitution. Second chapter, standard integral. Okay. So write down formula. Right. First formula. Remember integration. Right. Dx by x square plus a square. Right. 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus constant. Okay, standard integral. Number 1. Number 2, write integration dx by x square minus a square 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus constant c. Number 3, integration dx by x square a square minus x square equal to 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c. Number 4, integration dx by root under x square plus minus x square equal to log of x plus root under x square plus minus x square, okay, mod plus c. Number 5, write integration dx by root under a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x by a plus constant c. Mod x less or equal to 1. All of you know inverse function, okay. So integration dx by a square minus x square equal to sin inverse x by a. Any function, okay, all of you, any function you have to arrange in the standard form. 5 standard form, all of you remember, okay. If you remember, then you can solve. If you can remember, then you can solve. Okay, so you should remember. This is the standard integral. So right, this is the standard integral. Okay, write down. This is the standard integral, right? Standard integral. Okay, the standard integral. See, I am solving. Few rules are there. Okay, few rules are there. First, we look at the board. One by one, I am explaining. See, suppose integration dx by 4x square plus 9. You take 4 common first. Okay, so x square coefficient should be 1, keep in mind. Otherwise, most of the students, they mistakes here. Okay, see, take 4 common. Dx by x square plus 9 by 4. Dx by x square plus 9 by 4. Okay, so write 1 by 4 dx by x whole square plus 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, so write 1 by 4, 1 by a, that is 2 by 3, tan inverse x by a, 3 by 2, so write 2x plus c. So here 1 by 6, tan inverse 2x by 3 plus constant c. Okay, 1 by 6, tan inverse 2x by 3 plus constant c. Okay, next, suppose here integration dx by, first I am telling no, you could direct you do most of students mistakes. You look at here, suppose 4x square plus 9. Okay, so look at here, if you do like that, integration dx by 2x whole square plus 3 whole square, you can write also. Okay, so 1 by a, 1 by 3, tan inverse x by a, 2x by 3 plus constant c. Look at here, here 2x is given whole square, so that's a multiplied here 2. Then 1 by 6, tan inverse 2x by 3 plus constant c. Most of the students, this 2i6 is the whole square, so they have forgot this one here. That's why I'm telling, take 4 common, okay? Then it will be very easy and you will not forget this part, okay? Now next one. Suppose integration dx by 4x square minus 9. So we can write, take again 1 by 4 common, dx by x square minus 3 by 2 whole square. We can write x square minus a square. So 1 by 4 is common here, 1 by 2a, right? 2 into 3 by 2 log of x minus 3 by 2 by x plus 3 by 2 plus constant c. 2 to cancel, 1 by 12 log of, so we have 2x minus 3 by 2x plus 3 plus constant c. 1 by 12 log 2x minus 3 by 2x plus 3 plus c. Okay? Right. Suppose integration dx by, okay, dx by, right, nine minus 25x square, okay, x square coefficient 25, so take 1 by 25 common, dx by 9, that is 9 by 25, 3 by 5 whole square minus x whole square, okay. So write 1 by, okay, 1 by 2a, 2 into 3 by 5, 3 by 5 log of a plus x, 3 by 5 plus x by 3 by 5 minus x plus constant c, okay. So 5 here 5, so 31 by 30 log, we write here 3 plus 5x by 3 minus 5x plus c. 1 by 30 log 3 plus 5x by 3 minus 5x plus c. Okay? Now next. Again, suppose integration dx by root x plus 1. This is given. So let x equal to z square, right? X equal to z square. So dx equal to 2z dz. This value put here. So integration, right, 2z dz by z plus 1. Okay? So write 2z. You can write z plus 1 minus 1 by z plus 1 dz. So write 2 z plus 1 by this. So dz. Okay? Minus 1 by z plus 1 dz. Okay? So write 2z minus 2 by this to multiply, okay, log of z plus 1 plus c, and put the value z equal to 2 root x, put the value 2 root x minus 2 log root x plus 1. You put the value here, z square root x is given, so z equal to root x, you put the value 2 root x minus 2 log root x plus 1. Okay? Next. Suppose given, look at here, integration dx by, suppose x square plus x plus 1. The form is x square plus dx plus c form. Okay? So first you convert it into standard form. Okay? First you have to convert it into standard form. Okay? Look here. So integration dx by x whole square, x into half plus half whole square plus 1 minus 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4 here, minus 1 by 4 cancel, plus 1. So integration dx by this part x plus half whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square. You can write, see, if you suppose whole square part is given, so this you take, if we check, so dj by this in standard form, so you consider this is x, suppose x square plus s square, so 1 by a 2 by root 3 tan inverse x by x plus half by root 3 by 2 plus constant c, plus constant c. So right, 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus constant c. Okay, 2 by root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 by root 3 plus constant c. Okay. Okay. Next, if root is there, okay. Next one, suppose integration like dx by root under, suppose x square minus x minus 6. See, this is factorization is done. Okay, we can solve by factorization method this part. Okay, so we can write this one dx by root under x minus 3 into x plus 2. If we factor x square minus x minus 6, we will get x minus 3 into x plus 2. Okay, x minus 3 into x plus 2. Okay, see, both term here in between the square root is there. If two terms of square root is there, then you put any one z square. Okay, any one, your choice, any one you put z square. So right, suppose x minus 3 to take z square, so dx 2z dz, you put the value, so 2z dz by root under x minus 3. Okay, x minus 3, so z square, right, z square into x will be z square plus 3, so z square plus 3 plus 2, z square plus 3 plus 2. So right, z square root is there, root under will be z, is cancelled, 2 outside take, so dz by root under z square plus 5, 3 plus 2 5, so you can write root 5 whole square, root 5 whole square, z square plus root 5 whole square. Okay, now standard form, so log z plus root s, right, so it will be 2 log z plus z square plus s square 5. Okay, just you put the value, z will be x minus 3. Okay, so root x minus 3, so answer will be, see, so answer will be right, 2 log root of x minus 3 plus z square x minus 3 plus by 2 should be root under x plus 2 plus constant c. Okay, 2 log root x minus 3 plus x plus 2. Okay, no problem. Okay, now again integration suppose x square by x square minus s square dx. Okay, so you can write x square minus s square plus s square, no? Okay, s square is cancelled, so you can write x square minus s square dx. Okay, so write this by this dx plus s square integration dx by x square minus s square. So x plus, so write s square 1 by 2a, so 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus constant. You cancel, so write x plus a by 2 log of x minus a by x plus a plus constant c. Okay? Okay, understood? Next, suppose, see, integration x square plus sin square x by 1 minus x square into sec square x, right, dx. So sin square you can write, see, sin square 1 minus cos square, so write plus 1 minus cos square by 1 plus x square into sec square x dx. So you can write x square plus 1 by this, right, x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus cos square x by, so x square plus 1 right, sec square x dx. So right, this by this 1, so it is 1 dx, so 1 into this, so right, sec square x dx minus cos square x sec square x 1, so integration dx by x square plus 1. Okay, so right, 10x minus 10 inverse x plus constant c. Very important sum. Here sin square you change, convert into 1 minus cos square, so sec square x no change, so x square plus 1 by this by this you can write sec square, this is 1, so 1 minus sec square x, here cos square sec square 1, so 1 by dx by this, so it will be 10x minus 10 inverse x. Okay, now next one sum, then you can complete. Next again, suppose integration dx by, right, suppose x minus 3 into root under x plus 1. So this is single root is given, that's a double root is there, so only this term root. So whatever root is just right, this will be z square, right, x plus 1 equal to z square. So right, dx equal to 2z dz. Okay, just you put the value, integration 2z dz by x, z square minus 1, so z square minus 4, minus 3 is there, and it will be z, so this z is cancelled, so 2 dz by z square minus 4. Okay, so right, 2 by 2a, 2 into 2 a square log of z minus 2 by z plus 2 plus c, and 1 to cancel, 1 by 2 log of z, you know this value, put the value x plus 1 minus 2 by x plus 1 plus 2 plus c, this is the answer. Okay, all of you remember the formula. Okay, okay, next class few other formula. Okay, and various type formulas are there here, also standard formula, and few rules are there. Okay, few rules are there, few rules to discuss, few are left. Next class again I will discuss. Okay, few extra rule. Okay, few extra rule. Okay, bye bye.